और भाई गैरी,
हाँ जी सर. What's up, guys?
Not Gary, pro Gary.
Yeah.
गैरी द प्रो. So Gary, yesterday
Yeah.
you got gold and
Yeah.
this time you went straight for the pro card.
Yes.
कैसा लग रहा है जब वहां स्टेज पे खड़े थे तो सबसे पहले क्या थॉट आया था?
कि भाई प्रो कार्ड जीतना है, क्योंकि मैं बताता हूँ हमारा आवर प्लान वाज बेसिकली टू विन द प्रो कार्ड इन मेंस फिजिक. क्लासिक फिजिक तो हमने 10 दिन पहले डिसाइड किया.
Really?
Yes,
युवा सर ने बोला था.
yes.
एंड इवन आई टोल्ड हिम दैट कि मेरे ग्लूट्स नहीं है, हैमस्ट्रिंग नहीं है सर, कि जस्ट प्ले इट. तो वो तो हमारे प्लान में था ही नहीं. तो बट स्टिल मैं उसमें प्रो क्वालिफायर जीता. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. एंड यस भाई, ही इज द मैजिशियन.
So मुंबई के बाद you joined युवा सर,
यस.
right? What has changed in युवा सर? क्या मेंटालिटी लेके आया था गैरी? क्या कैनवस था? And how did you perfect that?
भाई द
Ac-
टीम
Actually, mentality wise, there was no work from me. See, he had the champion mentality from the beginning. He is one of the most mentally strongest, aggressive person that I've ever coached. Okay, he's mental. I'll tell you, the day one only we decided we want to get the pro card. I'm not even joking. We were manifesting pro card, and I'll not lie. He has not even put one collab post with me. He told me, "You are bro. I'll put a collab post only if I win pro."
Oh.
Okay, I told, okay, fine. I'll take it as a challenge. Okay. So everybody posts this collab. Gary doesn't even tag Team Your page. Okay, this tag. I was like, fine, because I take it. Okay, it's Gary Lou. We had this discussion.
It's a
We'll
deal.
do it. It's a deal. Okay, that's it. And again, he has this champion mentality. See, I am also someone. We have this the Dragon Ball Z character Vegeta. That's the attitude that I have. That is the attitude that
And he just
has.
went Super
We
Saiyan.
can't lose, bro.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, we can't lose. We can't fucking lose.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, that's mindset that I have. He actually has it more. He's actually more aggressive than me with respect to the mentality, and we gave it all. Not even one cheat meal he took. Okay. See, with respect to peaking, I mean, we peaked perfectly with the given time. That obviously, since I have multiple experience,
Yeah.
we planned. Yesterday there was different protocol. Today we changed the protocol. So I mean, a lot of things we did. I mean, that's the what a coach does. So yeah, as your question I've answered. Mentality wise, zero challenge for me.
Gary, I want you to do one thing.
Yeah.
The fat kid version of yourself.
Yeah.
I want you to look him in the eye
Yeah.
and say something कि वो जो मोटा लड़का था उसको अभी क्या बोलोगे?
भाई जितना बड़ा सोच सकता है सोच कर. The universe will give you people that will help you to achieve your goals. Believe in yourself. The only thing that you have inside you is belief. If there is no belief in yourself, there is no hope, there is nothing. Dream big, achieve bigger. It's just the beginning.
That is so amazing. So I will ask you as the last question, what is next for Super Natty Gary Lou?
Bhai, we'll
Next is a good meal.
next is a good meal. We'll
कौन सा
chill.
cheat meal है बता दो.
We will chill for now, and then we'll let you know.
Yeah.
We'll let the whole world know. But we'll take off season for now. Yes. We
इसके
are-
बाद क्या खाना है?
अभी देखते हैं भाई. अभी पहले भाई पानी पीऊँ मैं. हाँ.
All right. Thank you so much, Gary.
Thank you.
You were absolutely awesome, and of course, Yuva,
Thank you.
you have been always phenomenal. It was such a pleasure seeing you perform on stage with that physique. क्या
Thank you.
लेके आए थे एकदम आग मचा दी. Yeah, that's it. All right, cool.
Got it done, bro.
Perfect.